Let's start. Today we are going to study the next topic, that is called the national income. This topic is from the macroeconomics, national income. The first question comes in our mind, what is the meaning of national income? National income is nothing, it is the money value of final goods and services produced during a given period in a fiscal year. So what is there? That national income is very important. National income says that every time whenever you go through the news, we will hear the news, you will hear that national income, suddenly the country's national income increases, GDP increases, GDP decreases. So what is national income and how do we calculate the national income? One question of this chapter of this topic comes in our exam, that is for 6 marks. The calculation of the national income. So what is national income? The national income is nothing, money value of final goods and services which is produced within a given period during an accounting year. So national income is also known as NNP at FC. Clear? The short form of national income is nothing, NNP at FC. There are various methods of calculating national income. In our syllabus, we are having 3 methods of calculating national income. First is income method. Second is value added method. And then we are having expenditure method. How do we calculate national income? There is national income by income method we can calculate. First, today I will teach you income method, and tomorrow we will go through the value added method and then expenditure method. Through the income method, we get domestic income, net domestic income, NDP at FC. Whenever the word, be careful. Okay, in the previous chapter already we have discussed this. If FC is there, that is related to the income. National income, this I have said net domestic income. When here MP is there, that is the market price. When MP is there, that is net national product. That here also if NDP at MP is there, that is called net domestic product. Clear? So NDP at FC, we are having the formula, that is compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. Okay, by adding 3 things, we get the domestic income, net domestic income, that is compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. What are the items that comes under the compensation of employees? That is wages and salaries in cash or kind plus, plus social security contribution by employer. What are the social security contribution? See here, compensation of employees we get through by adding wages and salaries in cash or kind, means we are getting salary in various ways, through the various methods. That is if we are getting salary in cash, then you're okay. Salary we are getting in cash, wages or we are getting in cash, no problem with it. But what is kind? That is called the perks, the benefit. The fringe benefits we are getting. The benefit like medical benefits we are getting, accommodation facilities we are getting. So many types of kinds of salaries are there. That comes to the compensation of employees. Then social security contribution by employers, like securities. Employers, they are providing the social securities to their employer, to their employees. What are those? Like pension, like PPF, Provident Fund. That comes to the social security contribution. What are the items that comes to the operating surplus? That is rent plus interest plus profit plus royalty. If rent, interest and royalty, it always come directly in the question. But if profit, sometimes profit they never gives directly in the question. They gives in another way. Like we can say that profit is also known as dividend, then retained earning, and then we can say that corporate saving. If profit is not directly mentioned in the question, then of course dividend, either dividend or retained earning or corporate saving will be given in the question. Clear? But then what is the mixed income? Mixed income is nothing. Mixed income means the person who are doing their own business. They have their self business. So they are earning money from that. Through this method, the country can calculate the national income. That is by adding in the income method. Means what is happening here? Whoever is earning, whether I am earning for any institution, we are adding that in the compensation of employees. If I am getting, I have my own house and I am giving as a rent to other person, that is also one of the source of the income. Or through the interest if we are earning, that is also the part of the income. We are adding that also, and we are adding the mixed income of self-employed also. That is called the income method. Through the income method, let's see the example. We will do one example of this. Suppose, I am writing it here. Suppose, calculate, they are asking, calculate national income. So, to calculating national income, the question is that, first they have given us wages and salaries is 1000. Second, rent is 500. Third, interest is 200. Fourth, dividend is 100. Then fifth, we are having mixed income, that is 400. That is everything is in crore. Okay. Next, NFIA, net factor income from abroad, that is 200. Then 7, depreciation, if they have given depreciation, that is 50. Then how to calculate the national income by income method? First, what you have to do? You have to write the formula. NDP at FC, I am writing the formula in the short form. COE, compensation of employees, plus operating surplus, plus mixed income. Y is income. So, what is compensation of employees is given here? Here, compensation of supply, wages and salaries is given. 1000 plus, in operating surplus, we are having rent, interest. Profit is not given. Instead of profit, they have given us dividend. We will write it here 500 plus 200 plus 100 plus mixed income is also given, that is 400. Add this. 1000 plus 500, now 1000. 500 plus 200, 700 plus 100, 800 plus 400. We are getting 1000 plus 1200 is what? 2200 is our domestic income. But they have asked to calculate the national income. Then what we have to do? We have to convert the domestic income, net domestic income, to the national income. NNP at FC. What we can add to the domestic income to get the national income? We will add net factor income from abroad, NFIA. That is, we'll write in here NDP at FC plus NFIA. That we are having 2200 plus NFIA we are having how much? 200. So 2400 is our national income. So students, you solve the question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number or you can comment me here also. So I will help you in solving various questions. We will do various questions of this method tomorrow. Clear guys? If any doubt, you can ask me any time. I am always ready to help you. Bye bye.